हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं आपकी टेस्ट फैकल्टी फ्रॉम निखिल महेश्वरी क्लासेस। आज आपका टेस्ट है लॉ टेस्ट और उसका सिलेबस है कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट एंड कंपनी लॉ। ओके, ये आपका टेस्ट 15 मिनट्स का है और इसमें 25 क्वेश्चंस हैं। रेडी? ठीक है। सो मेक श्योर यू नोट डाउन करेक्ट ऑप्शन। आपके ऑप्शंस होंगे ए बी सी डी। आप अपने टेस्ट पेपर जो आप लिख रहे हैं उसमें आप मेक श्योर अल्फाबेटिकली लिखें, क्योंकि आपको आंसर अल्फाबेटिकली ऑर्डर में ही होएगा ए बी सी डी ऑप्शंस में, राइट। और आपको आंसर की इस वीडियो के बाद मिलेगी, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। और आंसर लिखने के बाद अपने चैट सेक्शन में दे देना ऐप पर। तो स्टार्टिंग विद द टेस्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। A company is a distinct legal person. A partnership firm is not distinct from several persons who compose it. True or false? Done. Question number 2. The Contract Act 1872 was enforced on first option A, 1st day of July 1872, B option 1st August 1872, C 1st September 1872, D none of these. लिख लिया आंसर। Now question number 3. The person to whom proposal is made is called A, promisor, B, promisee, C, both of the above, D, none of the above. Done? Okay, let's move to question number 4. A man is enfeebled by disease or age is included by B's influence over him as his medical attendant to agree to pay B an unreasonable sum for his professional services. A option, B employs nothing. B option, B employs undue influence. C option, both A and B. D, none of above. क्वेश्चन आपके आंसर स्क्रीन पे हैं, स्लाइड्स पे हैं, यू कैन सी। I hope it's done. Next question. Question number 5. Every agreement by which any party thereto is restricted absolutely from enforcing his rights under or in respect of any contract by the usual legal proceeding in the ordinary tribunal, or which limits the time within which he may thus enforce his right. Option A, valid agreement. Option B, void agreement. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of above. Done? Okay, let's move to another question. Question number 6. Agreement contingent on impossible events are option A, void. Option B, voidable. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of above. कर लिया? Okay, next question. Question number 7. When there is a breach of contract, the party which aggrieved by breach is entitled for. I repeat, when there is breach of contract, the party which aggrieved by breach is entitled for A. Compensation against the breacher. B. Nothing. C. Registration of criminal case against the breacher. Option D. None of above. Written your answer? Okay. Next, move to next question. Question number 8. The contract of guarantee is a contract in which a person performs the promise or discharge the liability of A. the contractor, B. stranger, C. third person, D. none of above. Written? Okay. Now question number 9. The person to whom goods are delivered according bailment is called. The person to whom goods are delivered according bailment is called. First, A. bailer, B. bailee, C. both A and B, D. none. Please write your answer. Yeah. Now, next question. Question number 10. Mistake of fact is A. makes a contract voidable, B. does not make a contract voidable, C. makes a contract void, D. none of above. Yeah, write down your answer. Now question number 11. Agreement without consideration is A. void, B. voidable, C. valid, D. none of above. Very simple question. Right? Yeah. Next question. Question number 12. An unsound person cannot become A. an agent, B. principal, C. both A and B, D. none of above. Done? Okay, question number 13. Reciprocal contracts mean A. one-sided contract, B. bilateral contract, C. trilateral contract, D. none of above. Is clear? Done? Okay. Next slide. Question number 14. In order to convert a proposal into a promise, the acceptance must be. In order to convert a proposal into a promise, the acceptance must be A. conditional, B. unconditional, C. absolute, D. none of above. Think. Done? Okay. Next question. Question number 15. A contract to pay B rupees 10,000 if B's house is burnt. The contract is A. I'm repeating again. A contract to pay B rupees 10,000 if B's house is burnt. The contract is A. simple contract, B. conditional contract, C. Contingent contract. D. None of above. Done? Okay, next question, question number 16. The maximum numbers of members in case of public company is A. 0, B. Unlimited, C. 50, D. 100. Maximum numbers. Okay. Done? Written? Okay, question number 17. The rules and regulations for the internal management of a company are contained in its dash. Option number A, prospectus, B, annual report, C, memorandum of association, D, articles of association. Next question. Question number 18. The liability of members if company is limited by shares. The liability of members if company is limited by shares. A. Unpaid value of shares. B. Guarantee amount. C. Unlimited liability. D. None of above. Answers written? Okay, question number 19 now. Company's owners are shareholders. So the company property belongs to the shareholders. Do you agree with this statement? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Done? Okay, question number 20. Maximum capital of a private company is A. 50 lakhs, B. 1 crore, C. 1.5 crore, D. Unlimited. Maximum capital of a private company. Done? Question number 21. Invitation to public offering shares or debentures in case of private company. I repeat, invitation to public offering shares or debentures in case of private company is A option prohibited, B restricted, C acceptable, D none of above. Done? Question number 22. Property of the company belongs to A. Company, B. Shareholders, C. Members, D. Promoters. Done? Okay, question number 23. Which companies are exempted to add limited or privately limited at the end of their name? A. Private, B. Government, C. Defunct, D. Association not for profit. Done? Okay. Next question. Question number 24. The companies which were formed under the Special Act, those companies are called as A. Chartered companies, B. Statutory companies, C. Registered companies, D. None of these. Done? Next question. Question 25. Share capital of a company means dash. Share capital of a company means dash. First option A. Equity share capital, B option preference share capital, C equity and preference share capital, D, equity and preference share capital and debenture. Done? That's the last question. Thank you so much. आपको answers next video में मिलेंगे. Please refer that and write it on the chat section. Fast. Thank you.